Next, nature of roots. Nature of the roots and discriminant. General form of the quadratic equation is x square bx c is equal to 0. Here discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. This decides the nature of the root. If b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0, the two roots alpha and beta are real and distinct. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, the two roots alpha and beta are equal and real. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, alpha and beta roots are not real. The roots are not real. One example I will take here. Determine the nature of the roots. The nature of the roots. 1. 2x square plus x minus 1 is equal to 0. 2. X square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. 3. X square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Solution. 1. A is equal to 2, B is equal to 1, C is equal to minus 1. Therefore, b square minus 4ac is equal to b square 2 square minus 4 into 1 into c is equal to 4 plus 4 b square minus 4 into a is 2 na 4 into a into c. So this is b square is 1 only. Oh God. See, then this is how much? 1 plus 8 is equal to how much? 9. This 9 is, this is greater than 0. 9 is greater than 0. Discriminant, this value is greater than 0. Therefore roots are real and equal. Second one, a is equal to 1, b is equal to sorry, this is 2 only, 2x square is b is 1. Okay, correct. B is equal to how much here? In equation 2, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to 4. Therefore, b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 4 square minus 4 into a into c. This is equal to 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. Discriminant, therefore d is equal to 0. Therefore roots are discriminant is greater than 0, so roots are real and distinct. Distinct. This discriminant is greater than 0, so roots are discriminant is greater than or equal to 0, real and distinct. So this discriminant is greater than 0. Therefore, the roots are real and distinct. Second one, this is equal to 0, discriminant is equal to 0. When discriminant is equal to 0, roots are what? Roots are real and and equal. Third one a is equal to how much? Equation 3, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to 1. Therefore b square minus 4ac is equal to b square is 1 square minus 4 into a into c is equal to 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 3. This is less than 0. Therefore roots are not real. So this is how we can determine the nature of the root, whether it is real or distinct or equal or unequal. Let me see one more example. Example 2, find the value of k. Example 2, find the value of k from equation 2k x square minus 40x plus 25 is equal to 0 when roots are equal. Here a is equal to how much? 2k, b is equal to minus 40, c is equal to 25. Since the roots are equal, therefore b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Since the roots are equal, this is the condition. This implies b is equal to minus 40 whole square minus 40 whole square minus 4 into a into c is equal to 0. This implies this is 1600 minus 2500 200 k. Therefore k is equal to 200. K is equal to how much it is? Minus 1600 by minus 200 is equal to 8. So the value of k is 8. Example 3, one more example. Example 3, example number 3, what it is if minus 4 is a root of the equation x square plus px minus 4 is equal to 0 and the quadratic equation x square plus px plus k is equal to 0 has equal roots. Find the value of p and k. Find the value of p and k. So here we have seen if minus 4 is the root of this equation, then minus 4 will satisfy this equation. Solution: since minus 4 is a root, therefore x square plus px minus 4 is equal to 0. This implies minus 4 whole square plus p into minus 4 is equal to 0. This implies 16 minus 4p minus 4 is equal to 0. This implies minus 4p is equal to 16 minus 4, 12. When it goes to the other side, it will become minus 12. Therefore p is equal to divide 3 times. P is equal to 3 you got. Now again, and the quadratic equation, this has equal roots. So when they will have equal roots, if discriminant is equal to 0. Also x square plus px plus k is equal to 0 has equal roots. Therefore b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now b square means how much? P square. minus 4 into a is how much? 1. C is how much? K is equal to 0. This implies P value we have P is equal to how much? 3. So in place of P I will put 3 square minus 4K is equal to 0. Minus 4K is equal to minus 9. 3 square comes this side will become 9. Therefore K is equal to minus 9 by minus 4. This cancel is equal to 9 by 4. This is the value of K. Next example number 4. Example number 4. Example 4. The sum of the squares of two positive integer is 208 if the square of larger number is 18 times the smaller number, find the numbers. Solution. Let the smaller number be x. Number be x. Therefore, square of the larger number is equal to 18x. The sum of the squares of two numbers by question. Sum of the squares, smaller number squares is equal to this much plus square of the larger number is this much is equal to 208. This implies x square plus 18x minus 208 is equal to 0. I am applying factorization. This implies 208 into 1s are 208. 26 into 8s are 208. So x square plus 26x minus 8x minus 208 is equal to 0. This implies x common x plus 26 minus 8 into x plus 26 is equal to 0. This implies x plus 26 into x minus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore either x is equal to minus 26 or x is equal to 8. Therefore the smaller number is how much? 8. Therefore smaller number is 8. This is negative, we are not taking it, and larger number is equal to square of the larger number is this much. So larger number is 18x is equal to root over 18 into 8 is equal to 144 under root is equal to 12. Therefore required two numbers are 8 and 12. Is it clear? Next I'll show you one more example. Example number 5. Example 5. Let the total number be one fourth of the head of camel was seen in the forest. Twice the square root of the herd. Twice the square root of herd had gone to mountain, and the remaining 15 camels were seen on the bank of river. Were seen on the bank of river. Find the total number of camels. Find the total number of camels. Solution. Let the total number be x. Number of camel seen in forest is equal to how much? 1/4. Number of camel gone to mountain is equal to how much? 2 times of the square root of the total number. Seen on the bank of river, how many are there on the bank of river? Is equal to 15. Then according to question, what it is? This is in the forest, x by 4 plus this is gone to mountain, 2 root x. This is seen on the bank of the river, 15 are seen on the bank of the river. So total number of camel is x is equal to x. This implies LCM has taken 4. So x plus 8 root x plus 60 is equal to x. This implies 4x is equal to x plus 8 root x plus 60. Next page I am taking. How much I got is, I am just taking the same equation. 4x is equal to 8 plus x plus 8 root x plus 60. This implies this side will become 3x minus 8 root x minus 60 is equal to 0. I am taking here a value, let x is equal to a square. Then this becomes how much? 3a square minus 8a minus 60 is equal to 0. This one I am going to show you by calculating the square. Say, I will transfer this one this side. 3a square minus 8a is equal to 60. I will divide each term by the coefficient of x square. So a square minus 8 by 3a is equal to 20. This implies a square minus 2 into a into b. B is how much? 4 by 3. See now, 4 to 8 by 3. This value is coming here. A square minus 2ab plus b square. I have to complete the square. Now this term is not here. See, this is here and this is not here. So to balance it, the same value I have to add the other side also. Square plus 20. This implies this is a minus 4 by 3 whole square is equal to 16 by 3 plus 20. This is equal to LCM is 3. 16 plus this is 9 na? So this is 180. This is equal to 196 by 9 by 9. This implies a minus 4 by 3 is equal to plus minus 14 by 3. Therefore this implies a is equal to 4 by 3 plus minus 14 by 3. Therefore either a is equal to 4 plus 14 by 3 is equal to 18 by 3 is equal to 6, or a is equal to 14 minus 4 by 4 minus 14 by 3 is equal to minus 10 by 3. Number of camel cannot be negative, so this is here. Then now x is equal to how much? A square is equal to 6 square is equal to 36. So this is the number of camel. Total number of camel is how much? 36. One more example we will see. Example number 6. Example number 6. Example 6. A plane left 30 minutes later than the schedule time, and in order to reach its destination destination 1500 kilometer away in time, it has to increase its speed by 250 kilometer per hour from its usual speed. Find the usual speed. Find the usual speed. Solution. Let the usual speed be x kilometer per hour. Time taken to cover 1500 kilometer. 1500 kilometer is equal to 1500 by x. Distance by speed is time. Time taken to cover 1500 kilometer with speed x plus 250 kilometer per hour is equal to 1500 by x plus 250 hours. According to question, 1500 by x minus 1500 by x plus 250 is equal to how many hours? Half hours, that is 30 minutes. This implies x into x plus 250 is equal to 1500 into x plus 250 minus 1500 x is equal to half. This implies 1500 x plus 1500 into 25. 15 into 25. 25 balance 2. 5 ones are 5, 6, 7. 2 5s are 10. 0 balance 1. 2 ones are 2, 1, 3. 375,000. 75,000 minus 15x by x into x plus 250 is equal to half. This implies 1500x. These two cancelled. This is 3 7500 no into 2 is equal to x square plus 250x. This implies x square plus 250x minus 7500 0, one more 0 here, is equal to 0. This implies factorization. This into 1 same value you will get. Then x square plus 1000 x minus 750 x minus 75 1 2 3 4 is equal to 0. This is splitted. This implies x is common. X plus 1000 minus 750 into x minus 1000 is equal to 0. This implies x plus 1000 into x minus 750 is equal to 0. Therefore, either x is equal to minus 1000 or x is equal to 750. Therefore, usual speed of the plane is equal to 750 km/h.